Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I'm sharing with you the You're a Peach Designer Series paper. This paper is in the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog 2021 to 2022. This is a 12 by 12 Designer Series paper, and it includes the colors Balmy Blue, Bumblebee, Calypso Coral, Early Espresso, Mango Melody, Pale Papaya, Pear Pizzazz, Petal Pink, and Whisper White. I'm going to go through each of these sheets so you can see the full pattern rather than just that swatch in the catalog, and then you can see how it looks as a full 12 by 12 and how you can use it on one of your projects. Pick out your favorite one and let me know what it is in the comments below, and I'll share with you my favorite at the end. Okay, so did you love the You're a Peach Designer Series paper? I think what I am loving the most about this paper is the colors. I don't know, there's just something about that blue and peachy corally color and then the green together. I just find it to be so peaceful and summery and so like light and airy. There's just something about it that just like, I feel like I'm on a porch feeling the breeze while swinging or something. Maybe that's just me, but you can let me know in the comments if you get that feeling too. I'm not even actually a fan of peaches. I'm mostly just an apple person, but yeah, I love the way this paper looks, and I find it to be so versatile because it's got those basic patterns like the dots and the stripes, as well as the fruit and everything else. So my favorite one is actually this one, which if you know me well, you know I love flowers. So I'm super loving this one, but I'm also loving this blue stripe and then this little one with the small peaches on it. Just because I kind of like smaller prints sometimes because I use a small piece on my card. And so whenever you have a larger image like that, then, you know, it cuts a lot of it off. So I like the smaller prints a little bit more than the bigger prints. But yeah, let me know which one your favorite one is in the comments below. And be sure to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, for lots of inspiration using this paper as well as many others. You can also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, as I post other fabulous inspiration for creating cards and other creative projects, as well as sharing with you all of this fabulous designer series paper. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy stamping, and I'll see you next time.